This is Alternative Political Analysis, and this video will be on the French presidential election first round count. And the result: Macron got 24% of the vote. He got 8,657,326 voters, and Le Pen got 21.3% of the vote and 7,679,493 votes. Fillon got 20% and 7,213,797 votes, and Mélenchon got 19.6%. It's a disappointment that he didn't make it through, and he got 7,060,885 votes. Hamon got 6.4% of the vote and 2,291,565 votes. Dupont-Aignan got 4.7% of the vote and 1,695,186 votes. Lassalle got 1.2% of the vote and 435,365 votes. Boutou got 1.1% of the vote and 394,582 votes. Asselineau got 0.9% of the vote, 332,588 votes. Artaud got 0.6% of the vote and 232,428 votes. And Caminade got 0.2% of the vote and 65,598 votes. And an IFOP poll showed that 62% of French people want a moratorium on immigration. France has the 8th highest unemployment in the European Union, and 1/4 of their population under 25 are unemployed, and 10% of their population overall are unemployed. And the French economy consistently underperforms when the French economy is compared with the British economy or the German economy. Economies of a similar size and scale, it consistently performs worse. And you can look at those statistics from the World Bank. And France arrests more Wahhabi terrorists than Spain, Belgium, Italy and Austria combined, and has done so since 2010. That's according to Europol stats. It has over 85,000 people making asylum applications every year. That's according to Eurostat. And according to the BBC, 8.9% of the French population are immigrants. Actually, that comes from 2014 French state and government stats. And according to the BBC, 5 million Muslims live in France, making it the biggest Islamic population in the EU. And I guess the question for French people and French voters is the Frankish nation a Christian nation? And I believe many of them will answer in the affirmative. Hence why I still think Le Pen will win. And quite frankly, I'm disappointed that Black Monday didn't happen. which would have been Melanchthon against Le Pen, which would have been two Eurosceptic pro-Brexit candidates trying to win the presidency. And I think it's unfortunate that a slime ball and a Europhile and a right winger like Macron got through.